Dear students, we are handling indefinite integration chapter. Yesterday class we have discussed regarding integration by parts concept and formula we have discussed. Very IMP formula yesterday we discussed that integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. Depends upon this formula. One example is there. Most IMP 2 marks or 4 marks question. Page number 211. Open page number 211. Example sum. Example 1, page number 211. Find or evaluate. Find integral e power x into 1 plus x by 2 plus x whole square. E power x into 1 plus x by 2 power x 2 plus x whole square. Write like this: integral e power x into 2 plus x minus 1. 1 plus x can be written as 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square dx. That is equal to integral e power x into, separate the fraction, 2 plus x by 2 plus x whole square minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square dx. This 2 plus x will be getting cancelled in 2 plus x times. So e power x into this can be understood as x plus 2. 1 by x plus 2 plus of minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square like this dx. Now you can understand this is f of x and this is f dash x. Use the formula integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x is e power x f of x formula. So e power x into 1 by x plus 2. This is the IMP question in MSET also, in our objective material level 1 question. E power x into 1 plus 1 by x plus 2. Because 1 by x relative minus 1 by x square, we can understand f of x. This is f of x, this is f dash x. And in the similar way, another example is there in page number 217. In page number 217, example 6. Read the question. Example 6, page number 217. Evaluate. This is also objective question only. Evaluate e power integral e power x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. That is equal to integral e power x into, this can be understood as 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x formula according to submultiple angles is 2 sin square x by 2 dx. That is equal to e power x into, separately you write fractions, e power x into, like this, 1 by 2 sin square x by 2 minus, this sin x can be understood as using submultiple angle concept, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 whole by 2 sin square x by 2 dx. 2 get cancelled, sin x by 2 get cancelled. That is equal to e power x into, first one I am writing this one, minus cot x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cosecant square of x by 2. 1 by 2 into cosecant square of x by 2 dx. Use the formula e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Minus cot x by 2 derivative, cosecant square x by 2 into x by 2 internal derivative 1 by 2. So this is the form e power x into f of x plus f dash. So that is the answer is here, e power x into minus cot x. e power x into minus cot x by 2 plus 6. Same question is there, level 1, class 1 in our objective. Now I am giving the works to you, that example 5 page number 216, example 7 page number 217. Forget about the method, whatever he given in textbook, simply whatever the method I am discussing with you, follow the method. The method is tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x is there in example 5. Put x is equal to tan theta. No, put x equal to cos theta, because 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta becomes 2 sin square of tan theta, tan and tan inverse tan get cancelled. Then you can do, and it becomes, whenever you put x is equal to cos theta, theta is equal to cos inverse x. So you need to calculate integral cos inverse x dx. Yesterday we have discussed that integral cos inverse x dx is equal to x cos inverse x minus root 1 minus x square. Minus or plus? Understood? Okay, you do the sum. Next, example 7, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is there. Directly you write the formula tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Did you remember the formula tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square to 2 tan inverse x? No need to substitute put x equal to tan theta like that. Directly you write 2 tan inverse x. So 2 integral tan inverse x. Yesterday I said that, remember the formula integral tan inverse x is equal to x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square. That's all. Turn over the page and see the answer, you will get the answer. X tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square. If 2 is there, 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Instead of tan inverse x given, whatever he given the answer, directly given tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So do the homework, this one and this one. Now, example 8, I will say now, write the question example 8, page number 218. Page number 218, example 8. Find integral x square. Ext meaning exponential. Exponential meaning, of course, it is e power x. X square exponential m sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. X square exponential m sin inverse x. That the meaning is that x square into e power m sin inverse x. X square into e power m sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Now put m sin inverse, of course, e. You take e power m sin inverse x equal to t. Diff both sides. E power m sin inverse x derivative e power m sin inverse x into m sin inverse x derivative m by root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. That implies e power m sin inverse x, e power m sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. E power m sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to 1 by m dt. 1 by m dt. X. E power m sin inverse x. In the place of e power m sin inverse x dx, you can write here 1 by m dt. Also x square is there. Now e power m sin inverse x is equal to t. Taking logarithm, you can write m sin inverse x is equal to log t to the base e. No need to m sin x we need. So sin inverse x is equal to 1 by m log t to the base e. X is equal to sin of 1 by m. It is becoming lengthy. So better to consider only sin inverse x. It is becoming lengthy. Put simple sin inverse x is equal to t. Now give both sides. 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. Now you write x is equal to sin t. It's okay. That implies right here instead of x you write sin square d. This is sin square d into e power mt. E power mt into dt. E power mt into dt. That is equal to integral e power mt into sin square d formula 1 minus cos 2t by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 taken common e power mt dt minus of integral e power mt into cos 2t dt into cos 2t dt. One formula is there. I forgot to say the proof. I will say proof just after completion of this sum. Formula integral e power ax cos bx dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. E power ax cos bx. Now e power mt integration e power mt by m minus of, write the formula e power mt by l. E power a meaning m here, b meaning 2, m square plus 4 into a cos bx. So m cos 2t plus b meaning 2 sin bx. So 2 sin 2t plus c. That is equal to 1 by 2 into e power mt meaning sin inverse x. E power m sin inverse x. Take common 1 by m minus 1 by m square plus 4 into m cos 2 into sin inverse x plus 2 sin 2 into sin inverse x. Let's see. Now example 4, this is IFP 7 marks sum or 4 marks. IFP concept is most important. Find integral e power ax cos bx plus c. Find integral e power ax cos of bx plus c. Find integral e power x cos of bx plus c. Right, students, take care about this sum. Let I is equal, I meaning integration. Let I is equal to e power ax cos of bx plus c dx. Put this is 1. Now you write by parts. By parts as per INET. Did you remember the formula of integration by parts? Say. Integral u by dx into u integral by dx minus integral u dash integral by dx whole dx. Apply the formula. Once again I am writing integral u by dx is equal to u integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx. So I is equal to as per Euler. So which function we should take? First one, cos function. Exponential is always later, last function. I is equal to cos of bx plus c integral e power ax minus integral this one cos of bx plus c whole dash cos of bx plus c whole dash into integral e power ax dx whole dx. That implies I is equal to cos of bx plus c into e power ax integration e power ax by a. Did you remember? Internal integration, now you should write here cos x derivative minus sin x. So minus b sin of bx plus c into internal derivative b I have written into e power ax by a dx into e power x by a dx. That implies I is equal to right here e power ax by a into cos of bx plus c e power x by a into cos of bx plus c minus of minus becomes plus b by a is constant, take an integration outside integral e power ax into sin of bx plus c dx. Observe here again, this is by parts, again by parts. By parts. Now that implies I is equal to e power ax by a into cos of bx plus c e power ax by a into cos of bx plus c plus b by a into sin of bx plus c integral e power ax dx minus of, apply the derivative, minus of integral sin of bx plus c whole dash sin of bx plus c whole dash integral e power ax dx whole dx. That implies I is equal to e power ax by a into cos of bx plus c e power ax by a into cos of bx plus c plus b by a into e power ax integration, you write here e power ax by a into sin of bx plus c minus this derivative sin of, here sin of bx plus c derivative cos of bx plus c, so b into cos of bx plus c internal derivative I written here into e power ax by a dx. That is equal to पेन ड्राइव లో ఉన్నాయి చూడు గుర్తేది లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ తర్వాత మీకు అర్థమైంది. సెప్టెంబర్ ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ మనం తీసేదా రెండు తీసాం నెక్స్ట్ రెండు తీసాం షిఫ్ట్ 1 షిఫ్ట్ 2 4 పేపర్స్ 4 పేపర్స్ e power ax by a into cos of bx plus c plus b by a into e power ax by a into sin of bx plus c minus, again take constants common, b by a integral e power ax into cos of bx plus c. cos of bx plus c dx. Again by parts, sir. That is why student used to get doubt. That is why I thought this is I. Here I equation 1 we got I. So no need to do by parts. You can write I and take this. I is equal to. You write here I is equal to e power ax by a into cos of bx plus c plus b by a square into e power ax into sin of bx plus c minus b square by a square into. You can write directly this one as I from 1 from first equation. Now that I taken this side, it becomes I into 1 plus b square by a square. I into 1 plus b square by a square is equal to e power ax by a into cos of bx plus c. E power ax by a into cos of bx plus c by b by a square into e power ax into sin of bx plus c. That implies I into, take LCM here, a square plus b square by a square. Here also take LCM and try to understand that I am taking common e power ax along with denominator a square. So e power ax by a square. Now this becomes a cos of bx plus c plus b sin of bx plus c. This a square and this a square get cancelled. Therefore, now I is equal to I meaning e power integral e power ax cos of bx plus c dx is equal to this one e power ax by this one taken into denominator of opposite side e power ax into a square plus b square into a cos of bx plus c plus a cos of bx plus c plus b sin of bx plus c plus k is a constant. This is a useful formula in everywhere whenever integration chapter is there. Integration, different integration, areas, numerical integration and differential equations. Everywhere you used to face such formula. E power ax integral e power ax cos of bx plus c is equal to e power x by s plus b square into a cos of bx plus c plus b sin of bx plus c. Now, IPE textbook, page number 221, Roman number 3, 8th question is there. IPE textbook, page number 221. Page number 221, Roman number 3, 8th question is there. Evaluate integral e power ax into sin of bx plus c dx is there. Here only just leave the gap and do the work, do homework. Okay, I am writing the formula. Same method you follow, students. Writing the formula as integral e power ax into sin of bx plus c dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin of bx plus c minus b cos of bx plus c plus k. This is for cos, first function cos, just plus cos meaning c, first letter, then s. So first symbol plus, like that we remember, cos next sin, a, b only two letters. Sin, first sin you will get next symbol minus, sin next cos, like that you should remember the formula. Now see this question, see this formula and try to say the answer of this question e power x sin x dx, integral e power x sin x dx in page number 214, I think. 214. Can you say? Just to see the formula, no need to do the sum. Just to see the formula and try to see. What is a here? 1. What is b here? 1. No need to worry about c. So e power ax by a square plus b square meaning 1 square plus 1 square into a meaning only 1. A sin x simply sin x minus b cos x simply cos x plus c. That's all. I think he expanded the formula. We done the sum in some order, not simply hidden. Expanded sum. E power x into, that's all, 1 by 20 e power x sin x minus cos x. Students, don't forget to do this sum. You should do tomorrow, today itself. Okay, now using by parts, separate 9 standard integrals formulas are there. Let us prove the formula. 4 marks IMP questions. Formula. Of course, that formula he given as example 1, 2, 3 separately. Students, page number 219. Page number 219, example 1, 2, 3. Formula 1, formula 2, formula 3. Example 1, 2, 3, page number 219. First question we read, evaluate integral root of minus. Evaluate integral root of a square minus x square dx. This is 4 mark IMP choice. Just chance is there. Integral root of a square minus x square dx. Write like this. Root of a square minus x square into 1 dx. Root of a square minus x square into 1 dx. So this is by parts. Take root of a square minus x square outside. Because if you write integration of root of a square minus x square, you can do nothing. Simply sum will stop. Root of a square minus x square taken outside, integral 1 dx. So according to UV dx method, minus root of a square minus x square whole dash. Integral 1 dx whole dx. Integral 1 dx whole dx. That is equal to 1 integration x into, students, let this is I. It becomes first equation. So I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus this root a square minus x square derivative, root x derivative 1 by 2 root x and internal derivative minus 2x. So right here minus 2x by 2 root a square minus x into x dx. 2 get cancelled. That implies I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus integral x square. This is minus x square. Minus x square by root of a square minus x square dx. That implies I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus, now add and subtract with a square. A square minus x square minus a square right by root of a square minus x square total dx. That implies I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus, separately write the fractions, a square minus x square by root of a square minus x square dx minus of minus plus a square into 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square. Minus this can be understood as root a square minus x square, because a square minus x square becomes root a square into root a square minus x square into root a square minus x plus a square into this formula already we know using the minus tan integrals first formula or second formula. I think the sin inverse x by a. I is equal to that implies I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus this is I, students. Again, don't take by parts. This is I plus a square sin inverse x by a. Minus side taken this side, so it becomes 2i. 2i is equal to x into root of a square minus x square plus a square sin inverse x by a plus c. Therefore, we need I. I is equal to here. I is nothing but the formula root of a square minus x square dx is equal to divide with 2. So it becomes x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. Page 319 comma 220, example 2 comma example 3 homework. Using same method. Now the concept, theory, everything completed. Regarding IPU only, exercise 6C complete. 6C we are entering into exercise. Exercise 6C concept formula completed. Let us going to discuss exercise 6C sum. Students, first Roman, I think I given the work. Okay, schedule. First Roman, first one, fourth one. Enough. Students, shall I say third one also? Okay, 1, 3, 4. Roman number 2. 1, 4, 8, 12. 14, 16, 17, 18. First question, integral x secant square x dx. Evaluate. First question, integral x secant square x dx. By parts. As per highlight, first function secant square x. Students, algebraic or first algebraic, next trigonometry. So first function x, next function secant square x. X integral secant square. X integral secant square x dx minus x whole dash integral secant square x dx into dx. That is equal to x into secant square x integration tan x minus x derivative 1 into this is tan x dx. So that is equal to x tan x minus. Did you remember the formula of integral tan x? Did you remember the formula of integral tan x? Integral tan x. Did you remember the formula of integral tan x? Log mod secant x. Integral tan x is equal to log mod secant x plus c or minus log cos x plus c. Third one, integral log x by x square. Integral log x by x square dx by parts. As per highlight, first logarithmic function, next algebraic function. Log x into 1 by x square dx minus integral log x whole dash integral 1 by x square dx whole dx. That is equal to log x into 1 by x square integration minus 1 by x. 1 by x square integration minus 1 by x. So log x into minus 1 by x minus log x derivative 1 by x into this is minus 1 by x dx. So that is equal to minus 1 by x log x. So minus log x by x. This is minus of minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square integration plus 1 by x. So plus 1 by x square integration minus 1 plus c. Minus 1 by x you can take common. It is simply log x plus 1 plus c. Now fourth question. Integral log x whole square. Integral log x whole square dx. Here put log x to the base is equal to t, right? Put log x to the base is equal to. So x is equal to e power t. Whenever taking log, eliminating log, did you remember here power base becomes base? X equal to e power t. Diff both sides. Dx is equal to, of course, it is e power t. That it becomes log x we thought as t square into instead of dx e power t dt. Now write like this using by parts. Directly we can write by parts. Using by parts. First t square we should write t square into e power t dt minus t square derivative 2t into e power t integration e power t dt. So t square into e power t minus 2 integral t e power t dt. That is equal to t square into e power t minus 2 into, can you say the t e power t integration? I said that plenty of times I used to write the answer directly and we put the sign and date. You see 29/10/2020 in your notebook already. We put the sign and put the date. That was most IMP question. This is most IMP question. Can you say the answer? E power x into x minus 1. Here to e power t minus 1 plus c. That is equal to, now e power t you take t square minus 2t plus 2 plus c. So what is e power t? E power t meaning log x. Apply here. Log x to the base e into log x whole square minus 2 log x minus 2 log x plus 2 plus c. Next objective formula is don't write any question. Objective formula. integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4. Here u dash, u double dash, u triple dash, so on are derivable functions. Derivable functions where derivative vanishes. So where the derivative vanishes, the function you should consider as u. Where the derivative vanishes, it is u of x. Next, v1, v2, v3, v1, v2, v3, so on, v4 are integrable functions. So of course they are integrations. There is no question of vanish. Now example, let us see the example. Integral e power x x cube I am taking. This theorem is called as Bernoulli's theorem. The mathematician name, of course, is physician. Physical, in physics, Bernoulli is there, Vena contract and Torricelli nulling point and maybe fluid dynamics. You did not learn fluid dynamics. Fluid dynamics is the Bernoulli's theorem. This is Bernoulli's theorem. Now, I will say shortcut you observe. Here you can understand where the derivative vanishes. Students, what is the integration of e power x? E power x. Next integration, e power x. Next integration, e power x. Next integration, e power x. What is the derivative of e power x? E power x. Second derivative, e power x. Third derivative, e power x. Fourth derivative, e power x. Tomorrow also you can say e power x, e power x, e power x. It will not stop. What is the first derivative of x cube? 3x square. What is the second derivative of x cube? 6x. What is the third derivative of x cube? 6. What is the fourth derivative of x cube? 0. So where the derivative vanishes, it should be considered as u. Where there is no question of vanishing, it should be considered as v. Now let u is equal to x cube. Let u is equal to x cube, comma v is equal to e power x. Now I am writing this is u dash is equal to 3x square and u double dash is equal to 6, u triple dash 6. That's all. V1 meaning integral e power x dx. Of course it is e power x. V2 meaning also e power x in second integration. V3 is also e power x. V4 it is also e power x. Now apply the Bernoulli theorem. Apply Bernoulli theorem. From Bernoulli's rule. So what is Bernoulli's rule? Here we have written u v integral u v dx is equal to u integral integral uv dx. U integral uv1 here. What is meant by u here? X cube. X cube into e power x minus 3x square into e power x plus 6x into e power x plus 6 into e power x. So you can take common e power x. Here within brackets you can write x cube minus 3x square plus 6x square minus, because the series will alternate plus minus plus minus plus c. e power x into x cube minus 3x cube plus 6x minus 6. Now, students, can you say the answer directly about this by observing this concept? E power x, of course, taken common. Everywhere, obviously, you can take it common. Function minus its derivative plus its derivative minus its derivative. Can you say e power x into function minus its derivative plus its derivative like this, minus its derivative plus its derivative. That's right. Now previous sum we got e power t into t square. Now you see the answer without observing the answer. You can say this one e power t into t square. Already we got the answer e power t into t square minus 2t plus 2. Understood now? E power x common now. Function minus its derivative plus its derivative. Roman number 1 completed. Now Roman number 2, first question. Integral x power n log x. Integral x power n log x dx. According to highlight, which one we should consider first? Algebraic law. Next logarithm. First x power. By parts as per highlight. By parts as per x power n integral log x. No. Logarithm is next. Highlight no. Logarithm first. Exponential. Algebraic next. Log x integral x power n x minus log x whole dash integral x power n dx whole dx. That is equal to x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus of log x derivative 1 by x into this is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 dx. That is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus of, write like this, 1 by n plus 1 taken common and write this one as x power n, because x power n plus 1 can be written as x power n into x get cancelled, this is x power n. So that is equal to the x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 into this is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 whole square taken common. So this can be understood as n plus 1 into log x minus 1 plus c power root x dx. Fourth question, e power root x dx. Integral e power root x dx. E power root x is there. Put root x equal to e. Diff both sides. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x dx equal to dt. That implies you can write dx is equal to 2 root x dt. That implies we can write dx is equal to 2t dt. From 1 you can write, from 1 this is a 2 integral 2 into t into e power t dt. E power root x dx. Instead of root x we have put t, dx we got t dt, 2t dt. Now can you say the formula, students? Integral x into e power x model. E power x into x minus 1. Put the sign and date. Should not forget. E power x into x minus 1. So e power t into e minus 1 plus c. That is equal to 2 into e power root x into root x minus 1 plus c. 2 into e power root x into root x minus 1 plus c. Let us see the last question today. Integral cos root x dx. Eighth question. Integral cos root x dx. Put root x equal to t. Diff both sides. 1 by 2 root x dx equal to dt. So dx equal to 2 root x dt. So dx is equal to 2t dt. From 1 we can write 2 integral t cos t dt. Now we can apply the by parts. 2 integral t cos t dt we got. We can apply the by parts. 2 into t integral cos t dt. T integral cos t dt minus integral t dash integral cos t dt whole dt. That is equal to 2 into t into cos t derivative sin t minus t derivative 1 into cos t derivative sin t. That is equal to here cos t integration sin t, not derivative. So t sin t minus sin t integration minus cos t. So minus of minus becomes here cos plus c. So that is equal to 2 into t means root x we thought. Root x into sin root x plus cos root x plus c. This is the integration sin root x. You do homework, sin root x is there anyway. In Roman number 3, 7th question is there. Roman number 3, 7th question homework in the same model. Okay students, Roman number 2 sums. 8 sums we have completed. Let us discuss the remaining sums in next class.